Snohomish County has a collaborative spirit, entrepreneurship in its veins, and a drive to take care of its people. In 2017, cross-sector community partners from Linwood to Stanwood and Mukilteo to Darrington came together around this core approach. January 2018 marked the official launch of 5 core collaboratives made up of a total of nearly 100 cross-sector partners working in this new way to help families with young children. The Casino Road All Families Are Ready collaborative serves families in the greater Casino Road community, home to the highest concentration of poverty in Snohomish County. It will address systemic issues related to poverty, race, and immigration by meeting basic needs and evolving their network of services to a family-centered versus agency-centered approach. One way this collaborative is making a difference. This collaborative will use a community hub approach that brings culturally inclusive services for young children and adults to the same space, leveraging existing programs and integrating new partners to ensure access to comprehensive care for families. The Homeward House Collaborative came about in response to the opioid epidemic in Snohomish County. It will provide wraparound services for families with children birth to age 8 experiencing or at risk for a dependency case whose child has been impacted by substance use. Families will be connected to specialized services that address crisis and treatment. This includes visitation enriched by mentoring and interactive parenting education. One way this collaborative is making a difference. In 2017, on average, 12 infants per month in Snohomish County were being separated from their parents, and 98% of these cases are due to substance use. For the first time, this collaborative brings the Department of Children, Youth, and Families, the courts, and parents with lived experience together to design a new supportive system for families. Improving school attendance for families in transition seeks to reduce intergenerational poverty by improving educational outcomes for children and their parents and caregivers experiencing homelessness. It will give families the tools and resources to ensure children's regular school attendance during times of instability, as well as assistance with housing, career planning, advanced education, and employment training. One way this collaborative is making a difference. In 2018, 30% of homeless children in the Everett School District missed over 18 days of school last year, dramatically reducing the likelihood they will graduate high school. This collaborative has helped connect 2 key touchpoints for a chronically absent child: the school district, who tracks absenteeism, and the housing providers who serve this family. Making Life Work is a Stanwood community-based collaborative dedicated to enabling families in poverty to become stable and self-sufficient. Using a family-directed mentoring model, it will ensure that the caregivers of these families have the skills and capacity to work towards financial stability and to support their children's early educational success. One way this collaborative is making a difference. Use of the local food bank by families with children has grown by 69% in the last 2 years. A recent influx of families with low income have moved to the Stanwood-Camano areas as affordable housing in Seattle and Everett becomes scarce. To help bring the community together as a place where neighbors help neighbors, this collaborative is building a family mentoring pathway to give the adults in each family an active voice, allowing them to model goal setting and demonstrate self-confidence for their children. North County's Community Collaborative will serve families with low income residing within the Darrington School District, an isolated rural community in Snohomish County. It will build a community network through activities related to the 5 core areas of the 2-generational approach. One way this collaborative is making a difference. This is truly a community collaborative with strong cross-sector partnership. At the table, there's representation from local businesses, the public schools, and representatives from the local tribe. One of the first projects this group will take on is to increase access to services outside the area through improved internet connectivity.